Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. Today I wanted to do an update and give you guys some more information that I ran across on different early treatment for COVID. I also wanted to share to you, I got my t-shirt, COVID kills, ivermectin saves lives, here, FLCCC. You guys can order these on their website. It donates to their cause. They are a nonprofit organization. I also wanted to share with you guys, I did get a shout out while Dr. Bean was doing his live Q&A on YouTube a couple days ago, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. Here it is.
Self-sufficient mama says, "Thank you, Dr. Bean, for not hiding the truth about ivermectin." You're very welcome. Actually, I think I was the first one in the US to start talking about ivermectin in March, April timeframe. I remember I did a video in March that YouTube took down. Then I did another video in April, and this time they did not, and then I just kept doing more videos.
I wanted to share that with you guys really quick. I thought it was pretty cool. So right now I'm going to be showing you, just bear with me, I'm going to be looking at my computer screen and sharing it with you guys. This website is c19early.com. You can find all of the information on the current COVID-19 studies. It lists all of the studies they're doing. It also has right here, you could see all of the countries involved, the improvement percentages. Right now I'm on COVID-19 studies. This is for all of them. You could see right here at the top, I had to write these because they're hard for me to pronounce. Proxalutamine up here at 92%. You can see that there's only been 2 early studies done on it, and where they are I have no idea because there's no boxes checked over here. Fluvoxamine comes in at number 2 at 89%, basically done in the USA. Budesonide at 82%. In India, UK, Poland. Proidone iodine at 82%. 4 studies done. You can see ivermectin here at 78%. It's had 23 early studies, and it looks like it's one of the most studied therapeutics besides vaccine. And then down here you see hydroxychloroquine at 64%. It has had the most studies done on it, and it shows you where these studies have been done at. So just right here on this first tab right here, it lists all of them. You could go through all studies. It shows you the patients, how many people have been doing the studies, and then how many studies themselves have been done. So there are some up here that are higher than ivermectin, but as you can see, there hasn't been a lot of studies. There's not a lot of patients. Vitamin D also comes in pretty close. I suggest take vitamin D with one of these. It will raise your chances. This is a really cool website. It's all up to date. As you could see, this is today's date, May 24th. It gives you all of the updated data. So if you're ever questioning or wondering, this is the website to find your proof and the analysis and the studies. You can click on ivermectin. It tells you all about it, all the studies, all the recent studies, the percentages of the people who have approved early stages, late stages, and used as a preventative step. All the information can be found on here. If you are curious about other ones, you have vitamin D. Vitamin D's over here. It has all of the information as well. Some of these I can't pronounce. This is the first one I had said. 92% improvement. All the information's here. These are real doctors. This is real data, real patients. Stuff is being put into data and broken down for you guys. This is the site to be on. How I found it was I went over here, of course, on the FLCCC website. Then I clicked on this little blue box right here, and right here it says to go here, not there, right here, ivmmeta.com. That's where I went, right over here. And all of the data is here for you guys. You guys can even share this information on Facebook, Twitter, share it with your friends. I feel like this is a very good website to go for new and up-to-date information on these different treatments for COVID. As you can see, it's very well put into a database and facts for you, proven facts. So the WHO's not going to tell you this. The NIH isn't going to tell you this. It's right here. It's on the FLCCC with the real doctors, with real patients, and real results. I wanted to give a shout out to all of you guys, all my viewers. I appreciate your guys' support. I love all of your comments and feedback that you guys put down below. I am learning a lot from other people. I love hearing your guys' success stories. I try to answer your questions as best as I can, and I'm trying to put out information and data for you guys as best as I can as well. Continue to share this information. Believe it or not, you're saving lives with me and the FLCCC, sharing this information with your friends, family, on social media platforms. It's unfortunate that this information isn't being shared by the people that we need to have them share it, but we're doing what we can with what we can. So I wanted to thank you guys. I will give you guys an update soon on the long haulers information when they come out with it. And I wish you guys all the best of health, and I'll see you guys next time.